Happy New Year! So, Uthando Nostembu, which was hosted by Musa Mseleku, has a brand new show called Mnakwethu Happily Ever After. So, here we get to see how the couples, after introducing the polygamy, how they living happily ever after or not. So, on this special teaser episode 1, I'd say that there's a guy that we saw called Ngiga Zulu. So, he introduced Umastole to Umakhumalo. And apparently, Umakhumalo said that Ngiga is living with a certain lady in Johannesburg and they have a baby together. So Ngiga did not say anything, and then Umastole cancelled the whole polygamy thing. Guess what? On this episode, Umastole, right? She cancelled the polygamy thing, and then right now we can see that lady that they were talking about that Ngiga is living with in Johannesburg. Like, you guys, men is just a special species altogether. They don't have any truth in them. Like, whatsoever. They don't. To think that this guy was dating 3 women at once and he wants to all make them his wife. Like, I mean, if you need to introduce polygamy, you must be loaded financially. Like, what is the point of hurting me emotionally if I'm not going to be financially stable? Like, what is the point? So right now on this season, we can see that Ngiga Zulu is living with this lady in Johannesburg, and then they have a child together, and he still didn't tell Umakhumalo, the first lady. He still didn't say anything. Like, man, what the hell? So kuzoba late, it's still January 2021. Mnakwethu happily ever after or not? Stay tuned for more. Bye.